Hi, I'm Kristin, Director of Culinary Innovation, and this is HelloFresh Cooking Tips 101, Leveled Up, the series where we break down useful culinary techniques to help take your cooking skills to the next level. Today, I'm going to show you how to braise. Braising is the process of cooking ingredients in liquid to make them super tender. Besides imparting deep flavor and caramelized texture, the low and slow cook time is also mostly hands-off. Now that's a win-win. Braising is typically used to tenderize tough cuts of meats, but you can also use the technique to make ridiculously delicious veggies, which is what I'll be demonstrating today. I'm going to start by making the braising liquid. This one is chock full of fall flavors. We have chicken stock, water, honey, vinegar, cinnamon, sage, butter, and of course salt and pepper. Set this over medium heat. Once the butter in the braising liquid has melted, I'm going to add my sliced parsnips and my sliced carrots. I'm also going to add a smashed garlic clove. Give it a good stir. Make sure the veggies are covered in broth, and then I'm going to partially cover the pot and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes total. After 10 minutes, you'll want to lower the heat and then simply let it bubble away until the veggies are ultra tender. A good way to test if your veggies are done is to pierce them with a fork, and if it goes through like butter, they're finished. And voila, braising couldn't be easier, and the results are impressively tasty. If you're looking to brush up on more kitchen techniques, be sure to check out the rest of the series from our HelloFresh Cooking Tips 101.